Ayan, namamaga na naman ang mata ko kasi yun nga ayoko sa may aalis. So, ayan guys, see you mamaya. Tingnan natin kung saan aabot ang luha namin. Ay!
We'll rise up from the dust. Oh, here we go, go, go. Let us see our rain grow. You won't be in.
Yun. Ayan guys, yung mga mi amor o yung kasama ko. Uuwi ng Pinas. Siya yung papalit sa akin sa Pinas. Tapos yung mamay. Mamay. Wala, ang galing naman ng cellphone mo. Pwede mag-video sa harap, pwede rin sa likod. Gusto ko naman. Ayan guys, nandito na kami sa baba ng building namin and ihahati na namin si Rhea sa airport. Her mom, ayun o, yung mom niya. Iiyak na yan mamaya. Actually, kanina pa, nung kahapon pa siya umiyak. Nung isang araw pa, nung last week pa pala. So ayan guys, keep on watching and I'll see you guys sa airport mamaya. So ayan, punta na kami ng airport. Tabi kayo ng mama mo.
Ay, ako, may masarap. Ito kayo. 058-208. 058. Nagagoy.
Nagugutom po siya. Nagugutom po siya. Ang ganda ng nanay, no? Pero mamaya, gigiba yung mukha niya.
Ito yung jowa na basta na lang nag-lockout. Ito yung ating jowa na for reasons unknown to
Anong masasabi mo dito sa Dubai? How's the experience ng Dubai?
Hindi pa ako nakakalimutan.
Ay, oo nga, no? Di ka pa pala nakapunta ng Burj Khalifa.
Siyang masyadong masabi.
Uy, be, hindi pa tayo nakapagala kasi nung pagdating ko, kakarating mo lang din, di ba Ate Michelle? Pagdating nga ni Rhea dito sa Dubai, paalis na din ako ng Pilipinas. Oo, mauna dyan to siya. So, ang pagbalik ko naman ng Dubai, guys, ay ang pagbalik din niya ng Pinas. So, aalis na din siya sa Dubai. Ganun. So, di ko pa siya nakasamang igala. Di pa kami nakapagala. Uuwi na siya ng Pinas.
Nagala ko lang ramen.
Oo nga.
Pati pala doon sa Junior.
Oo, GBR. Hindi ka pa namin nasama. Hindi pa kami nakapagala sa saan-saan. Oo nga, no? Wake up.
Color-coded just to keep me sane. My world is finally starting to take shape. I press the button and it bursts into life. This time nothing will escape my sight. I see the stars and the planets soon follow. Expect to have the universe by tomorrow. Just sit back and relax, don't worry. Work your way. Don't need to hurry. must also be. This could go on for infinity. Color-coded just to keep me sane. My world is finally starting to take shape. I press the button and it bursts into life. This time nothing will escape my sight. I see the stars and the planets will follow. Expect to have the universe by tomorrow. Just sit back and relax.
Nagutom ang magbabiyahe, nagutom. May baong tinapay.
Gutom na gutom eh.
Color-coded just to keep me sane. My world is finally starting to take shape. I press the button and it bursts into life. This time nothing will escape my sight. I see the stars and the planets will follow. Expect to have the universe by tomorrow. Just sit back and relax, don't worry. The world can wait. No need to hurry.
Ayan, ang kami ang dito na kami sa airport ng Dubai.
I'd rather see the whole world go back to black. This line from nowhere. This blue planet with life and an atmosphere. I look closer and I can't believe what I'm seeing down there is me.
So, andito na kami sa airport.
But if it's me looking down on me, the world above must also be. This could go on for infinity. Color-coded just to
Ito na,
keep
Mi.
me sane. My world is finally starting to take
Nandito.
I press the button and it bursts into life. This time nothing will escape my sight.
Huwag kang pasaway sa papa.
The stars and the planets
Bye, te. See you.
expect to have the universe by tomorrow. Just sit back and relax, don't worry. The world can wait. No need to hurry.
guys, pauwi na kami. Doon lang namin hinatid, di na kami nagstay ng matagal. Sakit sa dibdib pag nagstay tayo doon, kaya sina na lang. Give time to daughter and mom, char, diba? So, ayan, sa lahat ng mga kaibigan ni Rhea na hindi na-meet, so tingnan nyo na lang siya sa biyahe niya from Cotabato Airport. And thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the bell button for updated kayo sa new videos. Oy, Rhea, pakabait ka dyan ha. Bye! Oh. Okay, right?
If you see this girl, can you tell her where I am? Everybody needs.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed at the Ninoy Aquino